This is one of Hinduism's holiest shrines. Tirumala in the southern Indian state of Andhra Pradesh is also one of the richest in the world. It has an annual income of $340 million, mostly through donations.
Nearly 50 to 100,000 people visit this temple every day. This puts enormous pressure on water, electricity and other resources here. Now the temple is using both its economic might and religious influence to change the way energy is utilized here.
Developing reserve forests around the temple to act as carbon sinks, the management has transformed the environment here. And it's using sustainable technologies to influence public opinion.
Many of the donors who come to temples like this, they are very, very progressive minded. So what really it means is that one has to see the savings that each of this investment can bring in. And a place like Tirumala, where nearly 1 lakh of pilgrims visit a day, probably the impact could be much more important than normal government advertisement or publicity.
This community kitchen is the biggest green project for the temple. It runs all day, providing free food to the pilgrims. Solar cookers heat water and power the kitchen with steam, which makes cooking faster and cheaper. As a result, an average of 500 litres of diesel fuel is saved every day. By switching to a green technology, the temple cuts its carbon emissions and earns a carbon offset or credit which they can sell.
This was the first project to get a gold standard certification. It's a registered project and it's issuing carbon credits. From a monetary value, being carbon as a commodity and a tradable commodity, the prices is up and down. But we sold the carbon credits of this and various other projects to the German government.
On top of the hill, the site is ideal for harnessing wind energy. Companies like Suzlon and Enercon have donated turbines which generate a combined total of 7.5 megawatts of power. A group now wants to develop multiple wind farms to supply the entire temple's energy. Their idea is to tap into devotees worldwide to make a donation of green power to the temple.
In India, this is one of the best sites for wind energy. So we want to capture this wind energy and run this temple by green energy. So that's why we have proposed this proposal to the temple authorities, and we are expecting some donations who are interested to donate free power to this temple.
India is growing rapidly and it's hungry for energy, but it's largely powered by fossil fuels. Global consultancy McKinsey predicts that the country's carbon emissions are expected to double in the next decade. But India is taking steps to limit that and is one of the largest producers of carbon credits in the world. There is now a growing market for low-carbon goods and services.
Number of projects and technologies which would not in themselves be profitable, become profitable as a result of the carbon credits that they generate, and which of course when they are sold to developed countries, then they generate an additional stream of revenue to the project. So the clean development mechanism has enabled the uptake of many new low carbon technologies. It has also stimulated a lot of research and development in India and innovation in India on low carbon processes and technologies.
The pilgrims enjoy their meals cooked using green sources of energy. To fuel India's growth, there's an increasing demand for alternative sources. Whilst the temple might be one small step, the hope is that this could be a model that is replicated across the country.